Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. Today's an exciting day. What's in the box? I don't know. Let's find out. This is from my new vendor, IH Parts America. Hopefully they'll be my scout vendor, and let's see what they sent me. Hopefully it's what I ordered. Okay, let's move my leaf. Sorry guys. Loud noises. Got their they get their logo on the tape. Alright, these are stock bushings for the leaf springs. My bushings are in pretty good shape, but obviously if I do a reverse shackle reversal, they won't be there. So yeah, just ordered 4 of those. These are the bolts that connect the shackles together for the stock front shackles. Ooh. This is my quick wire wiring harness. Let's take a quick look inside. Not so fast. That's going to be its own unboxing, guys. I think it's important enough. Some heavy stuff in there, man. Oh, stickers. You gotta have the stickers. Okay, so Rough Country bushings. Let's see what this is. Very important. This is my U-bolt kit. You're not supposed to reuse your U-bolts. I am gonna reuse my U-bolts, but only for the like mock-up period. Once I'm 100% happy with my suspension, then I'll put these on before I do any real off-roading. This is a hanger, and I wasn't sure whether it attached to the frame like that or like that, but now having looked at it, I think it definitely attaches there. The bushing goes in there, and then, you know, leaf spring in there. So it's a leaf spring hanger. That's really nice. This is CPT, crawler proven technology. They make scout stuff. It's raw steel, obviously, but it just, I don't know, pretty nice machining there, especially for like a, you know, hanger. It's not like you didn't have to go through the trouble. And this is what ties. This is spring steel that ties the front sway bars. Sorry, the front shackles together. It's important. It has to be spring steel. You can't use mild steel because it's not the same stuff. I have to say they do a good job of wrapping. Oh my goodness. This is a driver's side door latch, so my door doesn't fly open when I'm making a right. So that is very good. These are 2 shackle bars. There should be more where that came from. Okay, these are the front shackles. So, sorry, like that. You know, so this will be 1 shackle, and then it'll tie to the spring steel here. You know, you get the idea. Well, it looks like everything I ordered is here. I did forget to order 2 hangers for the front where the shackles, the upper shackle mount, I guess you'd call it. So I got the spring hangers, but I didn't get the shackle hangers. I didn't think I'd need them, but looking at the way they did my reverse shackle kit, they actually welded the shackle, the front shackle hanger, no, the front spring hanger to the old shackle mount. So that's going to be hard to get those cleaned up. So I'd rather just cut them off and put new ones on. It's okay because I still need to make up my my model for this. I lost my drill. If you'll believe it, my trash can's right here. Yeah. So I knocked it off my table, my drill off, my nice DeWalt 20 volt drill. in the trash can, and out it went with the trash. Tell you what, man, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, right? That's it. See you next time on Matt's Garage.